Imagine this: you're walking down a crowded street when suddenly, you notice someone who doesn't belong. Their clothes seem out of place, their device unlike anything you've seen before, and their very presence feels wrong, as if they stepped out of another era. Could it be that you just brushed past a time traveler? For centuries, human beings have told stories of men and women who appear from nowhere, who seem to know too much, or who carry objects that shouldn't exist. From the myths of gods and prophets who vanished and reappeared, to modern-day tales of strangers in photographs, time travel has always been part of our imagination. But what if it's not imagination at all? What if it's real? The idea of time travel is older than we think. Ancient Hindu texts describe gods who move through time at different speeds. In Japanese folklore, fishermen return home to find that hundreds of years have passed after what felt like only a few days at sea. And in Western traditions, there are stories of saints or hermits who vanish for decades and return unchanged. Were these simply myths? Or could they have been the first records of time anomalies? Modern science makes the possibility even harder to dismiss. Einstein's theory of relativity proves that time is not fixed. Time slows down near massive objects, like black holes, or at extreme speeds. Astronauts in orbit age slightly slower than people on Earth. This isn't fantasy, it's been measured. The question is no longer whether time can bend, but how far it can be pushed. Could advanced civilizations, maybe even our own future selves, already know how to manipulate time? Strange evidence continues to appear. Consider the mysterious time slip cases, where people claim to suddenly find themselves in another century. Tourists in France once reported stepping into a strange version of the past, only to snap back into the present moments later. In photographs, we sometimes see faces that don't belong, like the famous time-traveling hipster, a man in modern sunglasses and clothing standing in a 1940s crowd. Is it all coincidence? Or something more? And what about technology? Throughout history, inventions have appeared centuries ahead of their time. Some claim that Leonardo da Vinci's designs, flying machines, tanks, even robots, came from knowledge far beyond his era. Was he simply a genius, or could he have been inspired by travelers from the future? Then there are the chilling conspiracies. Whispers of secret government experiments, like the Philadelphia experiment or the Montauk Project, claim that military scientists tampered with time and space. While many dismiss these as hoaxes, the details are strangely consistent. Could powerful nations have already unlocked parts of the time travel puzzle, but kept it hidden? But even if time travel is possible, the paradoxes are terrifying. The famous grandfather paradox asks, what happens if a traveler goes back and prevents their own birth? Do they erase themselves from existence? Or do they create an alternate universe where history unfolds differently? Modern physics suggests the multiverse, countless timelines splitting with every choice, might solve this mystery. If that's true, then maybe every strange traveler is simply a visitor from another branch of reality. Still, a bigger question remains: why would time travelers be here? Are they historians, silently observing great events? Are they explorers, searching for knowledge in the past? Or are they guardians, making subtle corrections to protect our future? Across the world, people claim encounters, mysterious strangers who warn of disasters before they happen, individuals who vanish in plain sight, or travelers who seem to know technologies that don't yet exist. Could these be coincidences? Or are they signs that we are not alone in our timeline? And if they are among us, have they already changed the history we think we know? Could the world we live in today be the result of countless small interventions we'll never notice? Perhaps the truth is hidden just beyond our grasp. Maybe one day a traveler will reveal themselves. Maybe we will build a machine that proves time can be conquered. Until then, we are left with stories, evidence, and an endless question: are time travelers walking among us? Watching? Recording? Guiding? Or waiting for the right moment to reveal the truth? Subscribe to Atlas in Mysteries, and join us as we search for the hidden truths of our past, our present, and perhaps, our future.